Hey guys, it's Tash here and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you only just found me by clicking on this video. Hello, sending you a very warm welcome. I hope you like what you see and you decide to stay. So I'm super excited for today's video. It's a brand which I absolutely love but have never hauled on my channel before. I'm going to be bringing you guys a lounge underwear haul. So lounge underwear are going to be having their ready set sale from the 1st of August, so I thought I would come and share with you a few of my favourite underwear sets and lounge pieces from the brand. I'll leave all the links to the items in the description just so you can literally click the links, do a bit of shopping and also live your best life in the best underwear. I have been wearing lounge underwear for the longest time, literally years. I find it so comfortable. The quality is amazing and they also have so many stunning pieces, whether it's literally comfy lounge pieces or the more kind of sexy pieces that you want to make you feel good, make you feel confident. They have it all on lounge underwear. So because I absolutely love the brand, I knew I had to come and haul it for you guys over here on my channel, share with you what I'm loving at the moment, give you some inspo for some pieces that you might also want to go and pick up in the sale. So yeah, I'm going to share with you what I've got inside this parcel. Also, if I can try it on, now I'll pop a little try on clip here beside me. However, if it is mesh, then it's something I won't be trying on, but I will also include all of the model pictures here to show you what it also looks like on the model to fully give you an idea on the item. But yeah, I just want to say a huge thank you to Lounge Underwear for gifting me these pieces. But if you guys are excited for this one, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and if you are new here, definitely come subscribe. I'd love to have you here. Without further ado, let's get into a lounge underwear haul. So I absolutely love the packaging of lounge underwear as well. I just feel like it's such a nice touch to the brand. Also, something that lounge underwear do offer is the underwear care bags. These are just £3 and they will protect your lounge pieces and keep them fresh for longer. So just wanted to mention that in case that was something you also wanted to purchase. But let's get into the first set. Okay, so first up we have the white bamboo triangle thong set and the white bamboo triangle bra. These are like the OG sets from Lounge. I feel like this was one of the first style sets which I owned from the brand. So this is what the top looks like. So it's the classic triangle set, and I have this in a few different colours. I feel like I'm edging towards owning every single colour because this set is just so comfy. I love how it sits on the boob area. It isn't padded, but I just quite like that on those days when you're literally just having a chill out day. You want to have something that's still going to support the boobs but be really comfy. I feel like these sets are amazing for that. They don't have a clasp either, which I really like, again for really comfy bra. Loved the colour combo on this one. Love the fact it's like white with the black details. I always love the little waistbands as well on Lounge. I feel like it just makes it look even more expensive. The quality is lovely, and also this does have adjustable straps, so always a bonus as well, and what you want on a good sort of lounge bra piece. I just kind of wanted a more minimal set, and I feel like this one's literally it. I love that white and black together. So that is what the bra looks like, and then I chose mine to come with the thong. I feel like what I love about on Lounge is they have so many different styles of bottoms, whether you prefer a thong or if you prefer the Brazilian style, a brief. They have it somewhere on the website and in loads of different designs and colours. So yeah, a bit of something for everyone. This is what the bottoms look like. This is what the thong design looks like. Again, really nice thick waistband. I love the thick waistband, especially on the bottoms. I feel like it's something you can really sort of like pull up and sit nicely on the hips, and it's still really comfy. It's just definitely my kind of like preferred style in a comfy bottom. But yeah, it is what it says on the label, comfort made sexy. It literally is that. I love this set so much. If you don't own a lounge underwear set, I feel like definitely invest in one of these. Okay, so next up let's go for something a little bit on the sexier side. We have the Blossom Balcony bra in hot pink and the hot pink Blossom Balcony thong. So oh my god, this just looks stunning on the model. Again, they had so many colours of this one, so it was actually really hard to pick a colour. I may be having to invest in more, but I went for the hot pink because I just thought it was such a stunning colour, and loved the like lacy detail and also the balcony style. I thought that was really pretty. This again doesn't have any padding, but it does actually have the underwire in it, so it's going to sit on still really comfortably and also can still support the boobs in that sort of way. has a nice little waistband again, this time a little bit thinner but really pretty, and this time we do actually have a little clasp to do it up. This one obviously is a little bit more of a bra design, but literally love the style of that. I just think something lacy, there's something about it that's just super sexy. And then it comes with a little thong, again in this stunning hot pink colour, lacy on the front and then a little bit mesh at the back, which is just so gorgeous. Definitely going to need this in different colours because they had so many just really like bright colours that will look so good on. I don't know about anyone else, but I just feel ready to conquer the day. I feel good, I feel confident knowing that I'm wearing a pretty matching underwear set. There's just something about it that just boosts your confidence to the next level. So yeah, I'm so here from that from Lounge. I'm here for the comfy but cute styles. The colour is everything. Comfy but cute, I'm here for it. And then lastly, from the little underwear set, I picked up the cream seamless thong and the seamless bra in cream. I love the fact that Lounge do a seamless collection. I love to have quite a few sets of seamless underwear. I feel like there's just always so many outfits where I'm in need of something that's just like a little bit more minimal, seamless, so you don't get any VPLs, you're not getting any underwear lines coming through the clothing. I find them to be literally so comfy, and yeah, when you're wearing clothes that are a little bit more see-through, these are just the kind of sets you need. And again, somehow they've made this look so pretty. I don't know how they do it, but they literally are that comfort but sexy. So this is what the thong looks like. This is just in a little cream colour, and then we have the band with the Lounge writing in white. Also love that it has this little kind of like cutout detail here on the back. It also has the same on the bra, which I'll show in a minute, but yeah, just another little detail to kind of make it look a little bit cuter. But this feels like it's going to be so comfy on. Material feels really nice and stretchy. You can tell it is going to be really good and seamless, almost like ribbed in a way. But yeah, I'm here for a seamless set, and I actually really love the colour. And then this is the bra. Love the style and shape of this one. It's something very different. I don't really own any bras like this, but again, I feel like it's just going to be the ultimate little comfy bra to throw on underneath a t-shirt, even like a crop. This again feels amazing quality, really nice and thick, has a really nice stretch to it. And then we also do have adjustable straps, which goes in a little crisscross here at the back with both the cutout detail on the back and also on the front. How pretty is that? So yeah, if you're also in need of some seamless undies that are not going to be seen through your clothes but you still want it to look cute, oh my god, definitely invest in this set. They again did have it in a few different colours, but I just really liked this little cream colour. I just thought it's very minimal but very sweet. So yeah, really like that, really lovely quality, and I feel like it's just going to be so comfy on. Also, just something to be aware of, if you aren't sure of your own style, then they actually offer a little fitting room service, which is a little step-by-step guide on their site to ensure you are shopping the correct style and size tailored to you. So I just really like that little touch on the website. Also as well, if your size isn't in stock, then you can sign up to their Restock Alert, which will then let you know when your size is back in stock. I always really love that feature on a website. If I'm really wanting something but it's out of stock, I will always sign up to the alerts, and then as soon as you get that alert through, you can make an order straight away. It's just good to know that you'll still be able to shop it. And finally, they also do have a WhatsApp service. If you do have any queries, this is available 7 days a week, and someone should respond to you within 24 hours. So anything you also want to know about the company, about their sizing, about any items, maybe hit them up on WhatsApp. But I also did get a couple of pieces from their apparel section, so I just want to share those with you now as I'm so excited about it. So first up, I got the mink soft waffle top along with the mink soft waffle shorts. So these are actually from their little pajama section. How cute are these going to be as pajamas, and how comfy. Again, love that waistband. I feel like it's going to sit nice and high-waisted, which is my favourite. Really nice waffle material. I feel like waffle material is so comfy to wear to bed. So yeah, how pretty are those? I'm that person that doesn't really own nice pajamas. I'm usually throwing on an oversized top, so I felt like it was time to actually have some pretty pajamas that if I'm going on a sleepover with my friends, I actually have something nice to wear for once. But yeah, I chose these in a size medium. So yeah, these are the shorts, and then it comes with a little waffle top. And if I'm right, I think this set also comes with trousers if you do prefer a trouser option on the bottom instead of shorts. I quite like to have both, to be honest, but I thought as we are in summer, shorts might be quite nice. So this is the top. I love how oversized this looks and feels. Don't know about anyone else. If there's a time I literally need to be in ultimate comfort, it's when I'm going to bed. Otherwise, I just can't get to sleep if I'm wearing something tight, uncomfortable material. It's just not for me. So this is absolutely my perfect sleepwear set. I love it so much, and to be honest, it's something I would just chill in the day as well. Love the little lounge logo running it down at the middle of the top, and then it just has really sort of like baggy drop sleeves. So yeah, love that colour. Love how comfy and soft the material feels. Really loving the waffle sort of material at the moment, and I feel like this is definitely something you could wear into the winter as well, because it is that waffle material. Or you could invest in the trousers, maybe like mix and match depending on the weather. But yeah, that is a really, really nice little lounge slash PJ set. I also feel like getting someone a nice set of pajamas is a really nice gift for someone, so could maybe be gift inspo as well. And then last but most definitely not least, I got the essential shorts in black to match with the essential crop top, also in black, and both items in a size medium. So when I saw this set on the model, I honestly just thought it looks like the most comfiest thing ever to chill in. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'll probably even wear this out too. I feel like a lot of you are gonna love this. So it is just some really, really nice sort of like baggy shorts. They almost looked a little bit like boxer shorts on the model, which I feel like they would just be super comfy. So I was loving the style of these. Again, I feel like these look luxe and expensive. They looked really cool on, and they don't only look it, they also feel it. Like the quality is amazing. Really, really nice thick material. They're like fleece lined as well. Oh my god, the inside is so soft. I feel like these are gonna feel so nice on, and just really loved the little waistband with the logo. I honestly feel like lounge underwear have that perfect sort of like in between of like being minimal but being so cute and also sexy where you want it to be. So I love those. Definitely going to be living in this set. So it's shorts, and then it comes with this really nice little cropped sort of bralette. Again, it's fleece lined, has the little logo at the bottom again, and yeah, I just feel like that's going to sit on really, really nicely and literally be the most comfiest set. I'm literally thinking you could do the little like long tennis socks with trainers and wear this out. Maybe you could even throw a blazer on it to like style it up, but yeah, that's a bit of me. I think that is so cool. So that was everything from me today, guys, and a lounge underwear haul. I hope you did enjoy. I hope it has given you a little insight into the brand if you haven't really seen or heard much of them before. I hope it has shown you how amazing the quality is, how comfy but cute all their items are, and maybe giving you some inspo of some bits that you might want to shop yourselves. If you do, don't forget everything will be linked in the description. Definitely go and do some shopping, as they do have a sale running too. Absolutely love that from Lounge. Love a good discount here on my channel. So yeah, I really do hope you guys did enjoy this one. If you did, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and if you are new here, definitely come subscribe. I would love to have you here. Just want to say another huge thank you to Lounge for kindly gifting the pieces, and you will definitely be seeing more from them over here on my channel because I absolutely love the brand. 100% recommend. Love all the pieces in today's haul. It's just the underwear I wear all the time, so best believe I'll be living in these items and the comfy apparel too. Love their apparel section as well. There's so much more also on the website, which I absolutely love, so definitely go and check it out. I will leave the website linked in the description. But yeah, I can't wait to see you guys soon with a brand new video.